Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, I'm gonna make just a small jackfruit cake. Alright, it's the first time I'm making it, but I'm gonna make it my way. Alright, everybody know jackfruit already? So I took some out and I cut them up. Alright, I just puree some, so I'm not gonna throw away this. I'm gonna add my jackfruit, cut them in small pieces to my blender. And you want about a cup roughly. I'm gonna add some coconut milk. All right, and I'm gonna add about, say, half cup. And I'm gonna puree this. All right, once this is puree, I'm gonna put this aside. I have 3 egg white. All right, just the white part, and I'm gonna fluff this up, adding half cup of sugar. And now guys, I'm gonna beat this together until it becomes really fluffy. Over here guys, I have about half cup of coconut oil, or a little bit less than half cup. I'm gonna gradually add this in. All right, when I beat that somewhat guys, we're gonna put this aside. Now guys, here I'm gonna add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoon baking powder. I'm adding half teaspoon salt, and that's it guys. I'm gonna sieve this together. To this mixture guys, I'm gonna add half teaspoon, about a teaspoon of almond extract, 1 teaspoon vanilla. Now guys, I'm gonna gradually mix this and pour this in. All right, all right guys, that's it. I don't want to over mix it. Now the next step, I put some grease-proof paper and I grease the pan. This is like a smaller size pan, and I'm gonna scoop this goodness in. So guys, if you want to make a bigger one, just double up the measurement. All right, make sure you tap down the side, so if any excess air in it, air bubbles, it tap out. Okay, come out. Now guys, if you want, you can go ahead and put just the 3 eggs. The egg yellow is full of cholesterol. That is the reason I didn't put it in. All right, but you can go ahead and just add 3 eggs. Okay, optional, you can do it. Now I'm gonna top this off with some almond, some sliced almond, if I can open it. I think that's it. Let's not overdo this. Now I'm gonna pop this in the oven and I'm gonna bake it for about 35 to 45 minutes, and then we'll be right back. This is it, 45 minutes, and this is it, guys. Look at the goodness. Oh, so I'm gonna let this cool down and then I'm gonna cut it and show you guys. First time making jackfruit cake. Wow, I'm so proud of myself, guys. Look at that goodness. Now I'm gonna cut this. It's well cool. I'm gonna take it off this, guys. Plate, and I'm gonna put it on it. There you go. That's better. Right, Amir? All right, guys. Now we're gonna cut this bad boy. All right, Amir? Ready for it? Oops. All right. Look at that, guys. Ooh, Amir, look at that. So soft and nice, fluffy. Ooh, it smells good, eh? Wait for it, Amir. Ooh, it smells really good. And guys, this is it. Can you see how soft it is, guys? Yes, yes. All right, this is my jackfruit cake, original Jamaican style, Jamaican version. All right, and I love upon you. Woo! Look at this goodness, guys. I'm gonna take this piece. All right, my son said he's gonna take this piece. All right, guys, bye.